There are some really great resources located in JSTOR for you. If you just type in American Revolution and click Go, this particular database contains journals, book chapters, and research reports. And it's pretty awesome what it comes up with. It'll tell you if it is a journal article right above the title. If it's a book chapter, that's great too. There's some further down here. It'll say book chapter right here. And to read any of them, all you have to do is click on the download PDF. If you want to see just a quick little snapshot, you can always click on the title. It's going to let you kind of look at the pages right here. So you can kind of look at and see if you like it. And then if you wanted to use it, you can click on download PDF up here at the top. And if you need the citation for this particular article or book chapter, there's the Cite This Item button right here. And then you can just copy and paste your citation and take it with you. And to get back to your search results page, just hit your back button. And kind of look at what's here. There are going to be tons of things that are coming up. I felt that this was a talk about women in the American Revolution and things like that. So it's going to be talking about our religion during that time. So that's just going to be a good general search for you to use. You can always narrow things down on the left. You'll see that there are subject headings. So if you wanted to narrow it down with just the art and art history area and look at American Revolution and art history, you can check that box. You'll see that it appears up here at the top, and then you can kind of look at these articles to see if those are working for you. They're coming from that subject area. If you want to go back to your main search, all you have to do is take this off your list at the top, and you'll go back to your big grouping of 213,000. And you can always kind of narrow things down over here at the top and kind of narrow down that way.